Hello friends, welcome to the online education. Paper number 502, Organic Chemistry and Spectroscopy, and unit number 2 and chapter number 2, Carbohydrates. Now we have learned about the general reaction of monosaccharides. This is our lecture number 4, the general reaction of monosaccharides. Now conversion of aldose to the ketose having two more carbon atoms. This conversion is two more carbon atoms product from the dearabinose. So let us see the general reaction of the monosaccharides. Conversion of aldose to the ketose having two more carbon atoms. This is called Souden method. Also, this is called Souden method. Now, we have learned about the conversion of aldose to the ketose having the two more carbon atoms. First, we take the dearabinose. This is the 5 carbon compound. This is the 5 carbon compound. Now, let us see dearabinose. This is the D means dextro. OH group, hydroxyl group is a right side, so it is dextro. Dearabinose. It's reacted with the nitroethanol. This is the structure of nitroethanol. CH2NO2, CH2OH. This is the nitroethanol. Dearabinose reacted with the nitroethanol in the presence of a sodium methoxide. This is the sodium methoxide, CH3ONA. Sodium methoxide. Dearabinose reacted with the nitroethanol in the presence of sodium methoxide and to produce a mixture of a intermediate product. This is the intermediate product. This part and this part also opposite to each other. Like that. This is the 6 carbon compound and that bond is formed. This is the NO2 and Na is combined with the carbon, and also that this part is mirror image of each other, opposite to each other. That is intermediate product, our first intermediate product. Now this intermediate product is reacted with the H2SO4. This is the sulfuric acid. And to produce a ketoheptose product. This is the ketoheptose product. Here NO2Na, it was removed and formed the carbonyl group. Both parts. This is also mixture and it is called ketoheptose. This is the ketoheptose. This mixture is called ketoheptose. By the heptose, because of dearabinose is the 5 carbon product and our final product ketoheptose, this is the 7 carbon compound, 7 carbon molecule. Just like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Also 7 carbon. So this is our final product is a 7 carbon product. So aldose to the ketose having a 2 more carbon atom. This is the aldose. And this is the ketose. Ketose because of carbonyl group. So that is ketose. And our reactant have a 5 carbon atom and our product is a 7 carbon atom. So that is ketoheptose. So this is the reaction of a conversion of aldose to the ketose having 2 more carbon. So let us see the D-arabinose reacted with the nitroethanol in the presence of sodium methoxide and produce a first intermediate product. And this product is reacted with the sulfuric acid and to produce a ketoheptose. And this is the two more carbon atom product than aldose. So that is the conversion of aldose to the ketose having two more carbon atoms. And it is also called the Souden method. So now let us see the next question. Conversion of a ketose to the corresponding aldose. Conversion of a ketose to the corresponding aldose. Now we have conversion of aldose to ketose, but now we have conversion of a ketose to the aldose. Now let us see the structure of fructose. We have take the D-fructose, dextrofructose. This is the structure of a fructose. Now D-fructose is reacted with the hydrogen or nickel and sodium amalgam with HCl, hydrochloric acid. This is the hydrochloric acid. And this is the hydrogen and nickel, and this is the sodium Hg amalgam. And to produce a D-sorbitol and D-mannitol, mixture of a D-sorbitol and D-mannitol. This is the different structure to each other, and this part is also opposite to each other. Two hydroxyl group opposite to each other, D-sorbitol and D-mannitol. First of all, D-fructose reacted with the hydrogen and nickel or sodium Hg mercury amalgam, in the presence of HCl, hydrochloric acid, and to produce a D-sorbitol and D-mannitol. Now, mixture of a D-sorbitol and D-mannitol reacted with the HNO3. This is the nitric acid. And to produce a D-gluconic acid and D-mannonic acid. This hydroxyl group, alcoholic group, is converted into the carboxylic group. So it is called D-gluconic acid and D-mannonic acid. D-sorbitol and D-mannitol converted into the D-gluconic acid and D-mannonic acid. Now, D-gluconic acid and D-mannonic acid is undergo the lactonization process. This is the lactonization process. Heating and 1 mole of water was removed and to form a gamma D gluconolactone and gamma D mannonolactone. This is the gamma D gluconolactone and this is the gamma D mannonolactone. This is the structure of gamma D gluconolactone and this is the structure of gamma D mannonolactone. This is the alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon and this is the gamma carbon. Also that same. So this is the gamma D gluconolactone and this is the gamma D mannonolactone. Now mixture of a gamma D gluconolactone and gamma D mannonolactone is reacted with the sodium mercury amalgam in the presence of HCl with reduction. And finally we have produced a D-glucose and D-mannose. And this is the structure of a D-glucose and D-mannose. This is the structure of a D-glucose and D-mannose. So gamma D gluconolactone and gamma D mannonolactone is reacted with the sodium mercury amalgam in the presence of HCl and reduced into final product our produced D-glucose and D-mannose. So that is the conversion of ketose to the aldose. This conversion is different to the our first conversion of aldose to the ketose, and second is that ketose to the aldose. So we have learned about the our first conversion is aldose to the ketose having two more carbon atoms. This is called Souden method, and our second conversion is the ketose to the corresponding aldose. So this is the ketose to the aldose. So we have learned about the conversion of aldose to the ketose and conversion of a ketose to the corresponding aldose.